icy cold Suntory Boss coffee cans delivered to your world. Enter now at the Hit Win page online and the Black Thunders could be knocking on your office door. New Suntory Boss Coffee, Japan's #1 coffee in a can.
Introducing Macca's Mini Games, where everyone's a winner. There are 3 games and every win wins one of your Macca's faves, like a free Big Mac. To win, download the My Macca's app now and win. T's and C's apply. See Macca's website for full terms.
In the wake of our devastating bushfires, Capilano is donating proceeds from green drought and bushfire relief packs to help beekeepers and the precious bees they protect. Choose a helping honey. Choose Capilano, the great Australian honey.
When you run your own business, it's nice to be rewarded for your hard work. With the American Express Qantas Business Rewards card, you could turn your everyday business spend into your next holiday. Enjoy up to 2 Qantas points per dollar spent and 150,000 bonus Qantas points with the card that works for business. To find out more, search American Express Qantas Business Rewards. Offer ends 11 March 2020. New card members only. $3,000 minimum spend criteria and terms and conditions apply.
Car accidents. They happen every day to all kinds of drivers. Cars get bent, people get angry, and things get legal real quick. So here's a tip. If you're in a prank, call the Prank Gang, the specialists in road accident legals. No win, no fee. Experienced and street smart. How to prank? Call the Prank Gang on 13 77 26.
Driving you all the way home. It's Husey and Ed.
Yeah, all the way, not halfway. The whole way.
Yeah, absolutely. Because when we come back, just got to give you an inkling of what one of my dogs did today, and yeah, we're going to need to have a think, a ponder.
Uh-oh, is the dog's position in the family?
Well, should it be? Should it be in question?
All right, find out next.
Ooh.
there's a dog's placed in the home in question.
Yeah, hallway incident this morning. So, bit of rain about my house, and dogs didn't want to go outside. They got opportunity to go outside because of the doggy door. And they both can use it. You know, one of them can't work out how to get back in the doggy door, the older one. He's got a phobia about going in a doggy door.
Look, I can't speak to that, yeah?
So, but who left the present in the hallway? Was it Bubbles or was it Barkley? Was it Bubbles? Don't know. Bubbles is the new dog.
How new?
Bubbles I've had for 2 years now, I think. Do you reckon 2 years, Bubbles, Sash? 2 years? Yeah. Turned up on Hughes, we have a problem. Was meant to go to an audience member who wasn't allowed to have a dog in her block of flats. And well,
it was easier.
I accept on the night, she said, yep, take that dog. What a great problem solver you are and this show is.
Or you could have bought the block of flats.
Well,
do you allow pets in your block of flats?
I don't know. What if I do?
What a great sentence. Does Hughesy allow, can we find that out tomorrow? Does Hughesy allow pets in the block of flats that he owns? You allow labs, yeah?
No, look, I encourage.
Labs.
You know what? You know what the. No, I mean, I want the.
Not Labradors, you know what I mean?
No, keep it legal.
Yeah.
Make money however you can, but keep it legal. Keep it legal.
Big
but
sign
get
up.
the rent paid.
Hughesy says with his face. Hughesy says, keep it legal. Pay the rent.
Anyway, when we come tomorrow, we're going to discuss pets.
If you're ready to get rid of that dog, I couldn't be happier for you.
Which one though? Bubbles or Bark?
Well, there may be no way to split
I won't
them.
get rid of Isla, but some people probably do. We want to hear about the straw that broke the camel's back, so to speak, on pets. We'll do that tomorrow.
Yes, we will.
Alright, until then, listen to the podcast, download the Hit app, and we will see you there.
Your wife likes the podcast.
She loves the podcast.
Missed any parts of the show? Catch up now via the Hit app. Want access to exclusive prizes? Become a VIP at hit.com.au.
Whether you play netball, rugby, football or soccer, The Athlete's Foot has the perfect fit for all sports for the whole family. theathletesfoot.com.au.
Let's go!
Brizzy, don't you hate when you're in a great flow with the music on the radio and then the ads interrupt it? Well, not on Hit 105. From 9 every day, it's the free-for-all.
We'd like to request Boom 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 by the Benga Boys.
Hey, it's Rick best R&B song of all time, 50 Cent in the club.
Oh, did I mention? You get to pick every song we play when you get to work from 9. The free-for-all, tomorrow on Hit 105.
Am I really pregnant? Am I using the right test?
All pregnancy tests are not the same. With patented sensitive technology, First Response Digital and Early Result in-stream pregnancy tests can detect small amounts of the pregnancy hormone so you can know sooner. Find a range of First Response pregnancy tests and planning products at Woolworths, Chemist Warehouse and other leading pharmacies and supermarkets. First Response. Let us tell you first. Always read the leaflet. Clinically proven to be over 99% accurate in laboratory testing.
I'm over the homework battle every night. My kids struggle, then we're all stressed. They're only at primary school, but miss something now, and I worry they've got no hope of doing well later, let alone getting into a good high school.
Think your kids may be falling behind? Trust your instincts. Get them the help they need now. 1300 Home Tutor can help all your kids get their schoolwork back on track for one low weekly fee. Scholarships available now. Don't wait. Visit 1300hometutor.com.au or
phone 1300 Home Tutor. It just adds up.
Are you a compassionate person looking for an exciting new career? Talk to Breakthrough Community College. Breakthrough can help you achieve a Certificate 3 or 4 in disability, aged care and mental health to help you make a real difference in people's lives. Enrolments are now open for both online and face-to-face courses across Queensland. So if you're ready to break through to a rewarding new career, visit breakthroughcollege.edu.au or call 1800 767 212.
Us kids are good at asking tricky questions, like what can we do to make the world safer, cleaner and healthier? To make sure our future is brighter, not hotter. Your answers will help make the world we get to live in.
At PowerShop, our answer is by doing things differently. We carbon offset 100% of the energy we provide to our customers at no extra cost, as well as all the power we use as a business. By joining PowerShop, you'll be helping to make a cleaner, greener world for everyone. PowerShop, power you can be proud of.
Discover Queensland with free nights at Flight Centre. Stay 7 nights, 4.5 star on the Gold Coast from $409, which includes 3 free nights. Call Flight Centre now on 131 600. Best in the air and everywhere.
Flight Centre.
Tim just ate the Sriracha McChicken at Macca's. He could have ordered the spicy mayo or the jalapeno McChicken, but he decided to test his tongue. The new spicy McChicken range. The choice is yours. Available after 10:30 a.m. for a limited time at participating restaurants.
Whether you run, jump, kick or bounce, the Athlete's Foot has a fit for all sports for the whole family. Every player needs the right shoes, so get your family fitted by the experts at the Athlete's Foot. Now with MyFit 3D exclusive technology that provides the best fit for your foot. We've got a huge range of the biggest brands, including Asics, New Balance, Adidas, Mizuno and X-Blades, and a 30-day fit guarantee. Whatever your sport, we've got the shoes for you. Shop online or find your nearest store at theathletesfoot.com.au.
Need vision? If your windscreen wipers are streaking or squeaking, chances are they're due to be replaced. We can check your wipers and fit new ones for you at Super Cheap Auto. Conditions and charges apply.
At Bunnings Trade, we're made for kilos, not grams. Kilometres of trade materials, not just a few lengths. And pallets of product, not the odd few bags. Bunnings Trade, made for the trade.
Ash London Live mixes your favourite music. Monkey Shoulder is 100% malt whiskey made for mixing. Don't be a drunken monkey, drink responsibly.
We're all about the best thing on planet Earth, music. Get set for musical magic across Australia. This is Ash London Live.
Hello, my darlings. We don't know what's going on. Ignore it. Just go with it. It's a big remix of Ash London Live openers. Oh, Lord. Okay. There is a big old delay, so we are going to fiddle around awkwardly on the buttons and work out what the hell to do. Let's get some Medusa on Loranti and try and fix this. This is Ash London Live.
Ash London Live.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Justin Bieber. This is my fresh hit. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
It's all about the music. Ash London Live.